Hello everyone, good day. So this is the continuation of the Ground Zero 30th anniversary. Okay, so here I've already unboxed this. That's the component set, and now this is the amplifier. Okay, this is something that is interesting, that piqued my interest in this. Okay, so now as usual, you'll have your manual book, okay, and you have this packet over here. So this one is the mounting bracket for the amp. Okay, now it's covered in nice it's not silky, something like cotton-ish, like the hoodie type of material. Okay, and pretty much nothing else in the box, and you get this Allen key, screw sets, and you have additional fuse just in case if you blow up the fuse. Alright, so let me just open this. Okay, so it's out from this material. First impression, that is a big heatsink. Okay, this, wow, it's solid as hell. Okay, now this is a pure amp, meaning there's no preamplifiers, there's no crossovers or anything like that. All you get is gain settings. That's all you get. Okay, you can adjust the gains. This amplifier kind of reminds me of the DLS Signature series, where you can internally bypass the amplifier, so everything can be controlled in the DSP. Okay, so now it's a 4-channel amp. Okay, it's fully bridgeable as well. Okay, and it is a combination. Okay, this is an interesting part. Okay, it's a combination of class AB and class A amplifier. Okay, you have the bias setting here where you can adjust it. Okay, so for instance, right, if you are running on class AB, it should be on minimum. If you want to go full class A, you just have to turn this all the way to the max setting. Okay, now it's on max setting right now, so meaning it's on class A configuration. Okay, however, if you're going to do that, just keep in mind that class A amps, when it becomes biased towards class A, it's going to dissipate a lot of heat. Okay, a lot of heat, number one. But the good thing is the power rating is not going to change. So I don't know how they managed to did that in this amplifier. Okay, but however, of course, class A is a very inefficient way of amplification. Class AB is somehow 70%. Class A, if I'm not mistaken, is about 50%. The rest 50% of the energy is just heat. Okay, so you can see the wiring diagram here. Yeah, everything is here. So you need a 4-gauge wire with an 80 amp fuse. Okay, that's pretty standard lah. Alright, now in terms of power rating, this bad boy packs a lot of juice. Okay, now before that, let's just flip it over. Okay, wow, I'm just amazed with this heat sink over here. It's huge, it's thick. It's like almost an inch of heatsink thickness over here. God, and it's heavy. Okay, and you have your 4-gauge terminal over here, and you have your protection and all that. So yeah, one more thing that you have to note, that when you are bridging, right, so channel 1 and you bridge to channel 2, right, so on the DSP you have to flip the polarity 180 degrees. That's what Ground Zero recommended doing so. I'm not sure why, but you know, it is what it is. So power rating, so in 4 ohm configuration, you are getting 120 watts RMS power. Okay, and if you have a 2 ohm driver, and that's going to double up to 215 watt RMS. Okay, now if you are bridging it, now this is where it gets interesting. It gives you about 480 watts of RMS power. Okay, so the price, oh, this is mad. This is about 6,000 to 7,000 ringgit. Okay, retail lah, not including installation and whatnot. Okay, you need to have a really good DSP like Helix and Audisons and stuff like that to really push up clean power. Okay, and that's the RCA terminal. Here's channel 1, channel 2, channel 3, channel 4, and you have your levels here, and this is your gain structure. Okay, you can adjust and yeah, stuff like that. So yeah, this is the all new Ground Zero anniversary edition GZA 125-4-30A. Okay, this is the anniversary edition amplifier. So yeah, see you guys in the next one, guys.